Who do we have here?
Michaela.
Chris.
Allie.
You already jumped. What do you think?
It was great.
You guys ready? Scared? Nervous? Excited?
Yeah.
Excited.
This is whose idea? Your fault?
It was kind of mine.
Okay, your fault. We're pointing the finger at him.
I'll take it.
She paid
Last
for it.
words, final comments, confessions before we go do this?
Hell yeah. I'm hungry.
For me, it's the same every time. Computer, tablet, phone, bird, all buried in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock the sky to have some fun. High five. High five. High five. Here we go. Oh
Bye,
yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah. All right. Found an airplane. You ready to get in? Get up.
Yeah.
Get out of the thing. Got some fun.
Yeah.
Y'all are crazy. High five. High five. High five. Here we go. Oh yeah. Not yet.
Oh, it's so cool.
Pull the right one down. Look at the camera. Want another one?
Sure.
Pull the left one down. Lift the right one up. All the way down. Yeah. Hold it. Hold it. Hands up. Yeah. All the way up. Good. How you doing?
So pretty.
You did great. You want another turn?
Sure.
To the right. Hard. Yo. Hands up. Whenever you're ready. What do you think?
That was awesome.
You gonna do that again someday?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Same for her. You can come back, find the golf ball, pull that thing out.
You gonna pull a parachute?
Yeah.
Oh, actually,
Next time.
we go next. Oh, that's so fun.
Come back, see me again. What was your favorite part?
All of it. The free fall was so cool.
Yeah, it was nice to flip with you. Scott of Colorado Springs. This could be you. Woo! Yeah.
Thank you so much.